Suzuki GS 850 lovers. The problem I've had with this bike, it's got a lot of power, done a lot of engine development, but it had no gearing. It has no legs. I can be in top gear virtually across the lights, and after that it's just revs and valve bounce. Simple as that. So why is that so when it's not so with the 1000s shaft drive and the 1100 shaft drive, which is virtually the same case? Same gear specs, everything like that. Well, I found the reason, or I found the answer why. This is the standard output shaft for the GS 850. Goes onto the drive gear and the driven gear is here. This gear here is a 16 tooth. This gear here is a 17 tooth. So you've got a major reduction there. On the 1000s and the 1100s, this is a 17 and this is a 16. Suzuki swapped them around to give the 1000 and the 1100 a better range, or a better longer gearing and a better top speed. Now, can I get the 1100 gear onto this? The answer is no. The actual physical bearing case is longer, and if you can't quite see, maybe you can see, but down inside there are the splines, which don't match up to here, whereas on the standard drive gear the splines are right up the top. So you go one step further, yoink this, get an 1100 or 1000 drive, which has a longer shaft, has a machined area there, so it will actually accept the drive gear out of 1000 or 1100 perfectly, and the drive gear. On this, it's a 17 tooth driving a 16. So it's turning the output shaft a lot quicker, therefore gives you your legs. You're not going to have the same amount of takeoff, but this is not a problem, especially in Australia where I live. The takeoff will still be good because the engine has had a lot of work done to it, so it should take off pretty well. It just eliminates me doing a 300k ride at 5,000 RPM all day and worrying if it's going to throw a rod through the crankcase. Thanks for watching.